Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman, here today to talk to you about putting up a 4x4 post to act as a deck railing. Basic question that I had is, what's the easiest way to do it? Is it with a traditional blocking system like that, or is it using one of these through lock carriage bolts? So using those 3 bolts and then adding some kind of brace like that. The answer, as it turns out, is the through lock system. It's about half the time that it would take to do the other kind, and uses a lot less resources as well, and they're equally strong and stable. So we're going to show you how we did that right now.
He's got the spirit of a handyman, a handyman.
We actually ended up only doing one of the traditional blocking system because it takes so much longer and, again, uses more wood. You have to use another 8-inch section, so it's way easier and uses less material, saves you money, saves you time to do this method here. This task is way easier to complete with 2 people, but it could be done if you have some holds. Just to get that in place. Then from the back side, alright. Now, we happen to have 7-inch, that's what Menards gave us, was a 7-inch bolt, which sticks out too far for this to actually work, so we had to put a little piece of decking on the back side. That's why you see this. If you buy the right size, you shouldn't need that. So had we gotten 6-inch bolts, that would have been good. Next, we're gonna make sure that it's level. So of course, we've already got our measurement. 48 inches from that post. It's 48 inches from that post. This post is actually pretty stable as is, but go ahead and rock on that. See how it's flexing this board right here? That's because we haven't put in the bracing yet, so this does not replace the need for bracing. You still need to put in some bracing. If you're 16 on center, that makes these 14 and a half. So just pop those in. After we screw these in, this post ain't going nowhere, Papa. Actually, is my Papa. So, fun fact. So there you go. That is how, at least how we attached these 4x4 posts to act as a handrail. Comment down below if you have ideas that are easier or stronger or safer or cheaper or whatever the thing is. The whole goal of this channel is to empower the DIYer inside of you to save money, do it yourself, and also make the world a better place through great quality products. In the meantime, this is one of those videos that I really wish I had seen before building a deck. That would have saved me a lot of time. Hopefully it saves you a lot of time as well. Click the subscribe button and lots of great content headed your way from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.